Turmeric, one of the primary ingredients in curry, contains curcumin, a compound known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Regular consumption of curry can help reduce inflammation in the body, potentially warding off diseases like heart disease and cancer. Plus, curry's spicy kick can boost metabolism, aiding in weight loss efforts. Basmati rice is high in fiber and low in fat, aiding digestion and helping to keep cholesterol levels in check. It is also a great source of essential vitamins, such as vitamin B1, which supports brain function. Avocados are loaded with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats that can help lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. They are also rich in fiber, keeping you feeling full and satisfied, and packed with essential nutrients like potassium, vitamin K, vitamin E, and vitamin C. Blueberries are high in antioxidants, which protect your body from harmful free radicals. They also promote heart health, enhance brain function, and support digestion. In summary, curry, with its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, can help ward off diseases and boost metabolism. Basmati rice, high in fiber and low in fat, aids in digestion and brain function. Avocados lower bad cholesterol levels, reduce the risk of heart disease, and keep you feeling full. And blueberries, packed with antioxidants, support heart health, brain function, and digestion. These 4 foods are not just delicious, they work hard to keep you healthy. So, the next time you're preparing a meal, remember, food is more than fuel. It's a tool to build a healthier, happier you.